Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you the cluster stitch. It's a 2-row repeat stitch. Let's get started. Make a slip knot and even number of chain. I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm working on the back loops. These are the back loops on the chain, and single crochet to the second chain. This is the 1, 2, turn and go through. Yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And 1 more single crochet to the next chain. So here, single crochet, okay, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and single crochet to the next, and repeat all the way across. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet to the next. Chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet to the next. End of the row, single crochet to the last chain. Oops. Sorry. So 2 single crochet at the beginning of the row, chain 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet end of the row. Next row is one of the repeat rows. Chain 4, 2, 3, 4, turn your work, and this is the 2 single crochet, and here is the space, the chain space, and make a double crochet to the chain space, but don't finish it. So I will make a cluster stitch, what is 4 double crochet together to the same place, or I saw somebody made 3 double crochet, maybe it depends. So yarn over, go through the space, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and repeat this 3 more times. Yarn over, go through the space, yarn over, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and one more time, yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, go through 2 loops on your hook. So 5 loops on my hook, yarn over, go through all 5 loops on your hook, and chain 1 to close. And this is the first cluster stitch, and repeat all the way across in every chain space. So here is the single crochet from the previous row, and here is the next space. So 4 double crochet together, and to the next one, and all the way across in every space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. End of the row, double crochet to the last stitch, the single crochet, simple double crochet, next row, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet to the first stitch. This is the second V from the hook, single crochet, and single crochet to the first hole, chain 1, and single crochet between the cluster stitches, and repeat all the way across, chain 1, single crochet between the cluster stitches, chain 1, and end of the row, make a single crochet to the chain 4, and one more single crochet to the third chain from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. And this is the 2 row, but you should repeat. So the next one is the 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work, and cluster stitch to the first chain, ends to every chain one. That's all. Have fun.